Guys, it is cold and flu season, quademic, plandemic 2.0, whatever. I want to keep your lungs healthy. If you guys are hacking away, I'm going to make this quick. This is a company I work with, Premier Research Labs, Allocaps, bromelain, NAC, cordyceps mushrooms, all for the lung health. You got mullein leaf. It's going to thin the mucus out, the phlegm, help reduce the inflammation. We've got black seed oil, again, anti-inflammatory, thin the mucus out, antiviral, antibacterial. This is when you get that tickle and you just want to calm it down. Rocky Mountain throat syrup. Check that out too. And then last but not least is the nebulizer. Everybody overlooks the nebulizer. You add some food grade peroxide, colloidal silver, a little bit of saline, and inhale that 3 to 4 times a day. It's going to help kill everything, the bacteria in there, the germs. Guys, don't overlook the stuff. Most importantly, shoot me a message if you want to get more of the details. Tony, high five. High five. Good boy. And that's how we stay healthy.